Hi, today we are going to see how to partition a hard drive on Windows 10. So, in this PC, you can see the drivers in here. So, for partition, I have to go right click, then click on manage on this PC. Here a new pop-up window will appear. Then click on disk management. Here you can see I have 8 partition in my hard drive. So I will delete one of them. Clicking on it and click on delete volume and click on yes. Then you can see 101.8 GB is unallocated. So if you make partition, so right click on here, then click on new simple volume. After that click on next. Here you have to choose the volume size, then click on next, and you have to assign the drive letter. I am assigning S, then click on next. Here you can see if you want to format this volume, then click on format this volume with the following steps, or otherwise don't format this volume. After that click on next and finish. Here you can see a new volume has been added to my PC. Then you can see this is S partition in my hard disk. So that's how to partition a hard drive in Windows 10. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.